Hey everybody, thanks for watching the Grainiac. Today we're doing some bulk ground meat. It doesn't really matter what kind of grinding you're doing. It's the same setup. I have all my tape ready. I have all my sheets pre-torn. I'm going to be doing about 40 pounds. It's the chicken thigh box that I bought. It's a 40-pound box. So I'm doing about 20 pounds just the chicken thighs and then 20 pounds of the ground. So I have about 20 pieces of tape and 20 sheets of wax paper. I just do handfuls. I pretty much know what a pound is, so I do a little over. I'm a little heavy-handed, but wrap it up, put the tape on, put it away, do two at a time. Now I'm going to be double gloving it. It's a lot easier to take one glove off the other in between poundage. So slap them on, take one glove off, wrap it good. Usually I put it on deli paper and then I put it in the wax paper, but sometimes with that deli paper I'm finding when I defrost the meat, the deli paper gets stuck to the meat, so I've just been doing straight white wrap with the butcher paper, and that seems to be working out pretty good. This box I bought for $1.80 a pound, so for $1.80 a pound I get ground chicken. I like the ground chicken thighs. The fat content is better for me. I don't like straight ground chicken breast. I've had a lot of compliments on the ground chicken thighs, but you can do it with chicken breasts if you want. Ground pork, ground beef. Just always easier to have your tape ready, your wax paper ready, butcher wrap. You can season it. You can make Italian sausage before you wrap it all. Sometimes we just making chicken patties or put it in hamburger helper, use it for tacos. So I like to season it when I decide what I'm making for dinner that night. There we go, writing ground chicken on each one. Wrap it up good. And I just wanted to make a quick video, show you how I do bulk ground meat. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Subscribe.